Hey guys, Charlie here.
Matt here.
Hey, we're with Radenso Radar right now. We have John, who is the president of the company, and we are reviewing the Radenso Radar RCM. And we're going to be comparing that to the 9500 Passport as well as the 360.
Yep.
Okay. So we're going to go show you the product, show you what it does. It does so many different things. I mean, what are the features that you love about it?
First of all, it's the best on the market for sensitivity. It's got the magnetic removable display. It jams every laser gun on the market like the Dragon Eye, and it is parking sensors for stealth in case you get pulled over.
And the Dragon Eye is the brand newest, baddest gun out there that the cops actually have.
Latest and greatest.
Nice. So we're going to show you guys what the cops see, because I've never seen that, and that's super important to me. And I'm sure to you, what do they see? Do they not see a speed at all? Do they not see anything? I mean, does it show 4,000 miles an hour? What does it show?
And we'll be able to show them that in just a few minutes, but it looks like they're not even getting a speed reading. They'll have no idea they're even being jammed.
Let's check it out.
Hey guys, John here. I'm in the Speed Society Viper and just wanted to show you a couple of the cool features of the Radenso RCM. Probably one of my favorite features is that we have a magnetic removable display. And the reason we do that is because if you're in an area where laser jamming is not looked at kindly, all you have to do, pull off the display, it shuts down the entire system and you don't have to worry about it. The other thing that I really like about this display is that it gives you a lot of information. Front and rear arrows, so you know where the threat is coming from. It gives you voice alerts for radar and laser. It'll even show the frequency of radar. Just to show you what that looks like, I'm going to have Charlie go ahead and hit us with laser from the front.
Laser.
All you have to do is press the power button to kill the jammer, and there you go. Charlie, now from the rear.
Laser.
And there you go. You can see the rear arrow on the display, so it even tells you what direction you're getting shot from.
All right, so we have regular cars that we're getting right now. These are just regular cars. Hopefully somebody comes down fast so we can give them a ticket, or at least see that they're speeding.
That was a good amount of traffic that came through right there. Just picking them off one after the other.
All right, there's one right there. Whoa, he's going way fast.
94.
Whoa. So we just saw regular cars right now, and now we're going to send out the Dodge Viper, which is equipped with the Radenso Radar RCM.
That's correct.
All right, let's see it. And so it's going to jam this Dragon Eye gun. Nothing's jammed it yet.
Nope, you're going to see it jam all the way to the gun.
That seems like a get out of jail free card.
Nothing, jammed all the way.
So now we have the truck coming down with the 9500 CI Escort in it, which has the laser jammers, of course.
Nailed him. 66. Nailed again, 52.
Wow.
And we got him the first one hundreds of feet away.
Wow, that's a wrap. I mean, I guess there's really nothing more to talk about. Radenso Radar blew my mind. Blew my mind. Matt, you have the 9500 CI installed in that truck.
I need a Radenso Radar now.
We should talk about that.
Let's do it.
Yeah, I think I'm switching my car as well. Actually, I am going to switch mine. It picked up the truck, no problem. It didn't pick up the Viper.
Yep.
Flat out, as you guys saw. So that's it. That's a wrap. Radenso Radar.